Before you spend money on web hosting, give me just 2 minutes because this deal could save you a huge amount of money. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on hosting plans. And if you click the special link in the description, you'll also get an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout. Yes, automatically. No coupon codes to copy, no promo codes to test, no extra steps. Just click the link and the maximum discount is instantly activated. Now let's talk about what makes this deal so valuable. When people start a website, the biggest mistake they make is paying more than they need to. Hosting, security, and domain registration can quickly become expensive. But this Hostinger offer helps you save from the very beginning. Not only are you getting a huge discount on hosting, but you'll also receive free extra months added to your plan. That means you're getting more hosting time while paying less money. You'll also get free SSL, which helps secure your website and protect your visitors. And on eligible plans, Hostinger even includes a free domain name, helping you save even more when launching your website, so you can try everything with confidence. Whether you want to start a blog, create a business website, launch an online store, build a portfolio, or create a WordPress website, Hostinger makes the process simple. Even complete beginners can get their website online quickly without technical experience. But here's the important part. Offers like this don't last forever. Discounts can change without notice, and once the promotion ends, prices may increase significantly. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start your website, this could be it. Click the first link in the description right now to automatically activate your discount. Claim up to 85% off, unlock your extra 20% discount, enjoy the free extra months, and start building your website today with complete peace of mind.